How to send a CV via email using a phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send a CV via email using a phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you will need to locate your CV. So let's say that my CV is on my Files app. I'll just open it up and this is my CV right here. So this is just a sample. So if I want to share it, what I can do is I can open that up, tap on the share button on the bottom left, and there you can see different apps available. So here all I have to do is search for the Mail app. So if I don't find it, I can tap on More option and then search for Gmail. You can use Outlook, Yahoo Mail, whichever works the best for you. I'll just choose Gmail, and after choosing Gmail, all I have to do is type in who I want to send this to and anything else if I want to. As you can see, the CV is already added as a PDF. Then tap on send and the sending should begin. And it's basically that simple guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.